Oh,
Hi, Nurse Yolanda. How are you?
hi, I'm fine. Hello, everyone, especially you, Dr. Z.
Well, I love the enthusiasm. Nurse Yolanda, what did you use of NCLEX High Yield?
I was in your January 2022 class.
January 2022. So
Yes,
this is a true testament that we're with you till you pass.
yes. And let me tell you, I'm not going to ball on you, but I have a lucky number 11. I passed my 11th attempt.
Wow. So you've been with us for over a year and a half. You passed on your 11th attempt, and we never stopped giving up on you. Like, you always had
No.
access. You were always good. And
Yes,
you worked with a couple of our other nurses that are not here at the moment, but you worked with a couple of other ones, correct?
yes, that's correct. Even with Nurse Justin and Nurse Megan as well,
Uh-huh.
and
Okay.
Nurse Crystal.
Uh-huh.
So it took your dream team to make my dream come true.
Well, we all, I mean, if you see Nurse Howe, Nurse Brittany, the whole team, they're all products of NCLEX High Yield, right? So they all directly report to me. They all directly talk to me about certain situations. And when they come to me about, well, we've got, whatever's going on, and we sit there as a team, kind of like at a round table, but virtually. And we work together to help our students pass. And look at that, a year and a half later, 11 attempts later. And how many questions were you?
I was actually 92, but I'll tell you, whenever I took the NCLEX, I got to 75 and it would shut off.
Mm-hmm.
And my whole dream was just to see number 76. I know, right? So I took your class, and immediately after, I took a tutoring with Nurse Justin. And the
Right.
very first thing he says, "Hey, well, what resources have you been using?" And I said, "Oh, I've been using Hodgepodge." And he says, "What's that?" And I said, "Anything on the internet,
Yeah.
NCLEX questions." And he laughed, and I said, "I need to take this NCLEX because I had already purchased my ATT." And he gave me
Right.
some insight. And then I knew I was going to fail because I figured it was too soon to hone down on what you said. You said NCLEX High Yield, we focus on the points, the main points.
Context. Yeah. The high
And
yield stuff.
that's how I passed.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Content.
after I took the test, I got to 145. And I failed, but I was jumping up and down for joy because I've never seen that number.
What is your advice for people on the other side?
My best tip is to hone down on what Dr. Z and what he's offering is the main points. It's like high yield. I was too busy doing the bunny trail, like the whole more, because when they go, "Oh, now you got to take this NCLEX and you got to go back to school." You know how much stuff we learned in school? I can't remember any of it. But you taught me to focus on the high yield things. And
Yep.
I kid you not, I took the refresher course, which was $2,300.
Oh, wow.
I
You have to
was
take,
down, Dr.
wow.
G, I was down to, I purchased my last AT&T in March.
Wow.
I had, that was it. After this, it was another refresher course.
Nurse Yolanda, I'm so, so proud of you. Congrats, congrats, congrats. Lucky number 11.
Yes, and thank you to your team.
You're very welcome on behalf of them as well.